Okay guys, we'll start with the second part of this track. Let's get ridiculous. We'll start with the 9 step. Again, remember the music is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this entire second part, the music is exactly the same and repeat of the music in the part 1. So we are in this position. I did let's get ridiculous and you came to this position. Now the first sub step is point towards your left with your right arm like this. 1. At the same time you twist your right leg like this. 1. Okay, so it is 1 and it is 1. See my head, either you take it to the left or you point it downwards, whatever, but it has to be towards your left, because you're pointing towards your left, your head has to be towards the left. So it becomes 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Looking good, right? The 3 and 4 pointing towards the right, twisting your left leg like this, and 4. In all, the 1, 2, 3, 4 of the ninth step becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. It becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. Now the next 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 9th step. On your left feet, hop 1, 2. Okay, so we used to play a game called Langri in Bachpan. So it is just similar to that step. You hop on your left feet like this. You hop, hop. So this is 1, 2. So it is 1, 2. You did 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, remember the first step. What did you do? You kick, cross, and back. This is what you have to do in the 3, 4 of the second part of the 9th step. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hop, hop, cross, straight. You hop, hop, cross, straight. You do 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again. You do a 1, 1, 3, 4. Let's do the 9th step in count again. With me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do it again. In the count. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool? Let's do it pretty fast this time. As the music goes. So that's 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do this in music now. Okay guys, let's start with the step number 10. So we went this position, we crossed, we came back straight. If I taught you to come back straight, forget it. Just come towards the left, just kick, cross, come back. You should be towards the left. Now we'll do a bit of a side walk. How do you do it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy, right? Let's do it again. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Time to add a bit of a look, as I always do in every step. So it is not just simple walking like this. It is 1, 2. So it is 1, 2. I move my right leg away from my body in style, giving it a bit of a twist look using my knees. So it is 1, 2. Using my knees 1, 2. So which was previously a simple 1, 2. I made it look even better by doing a 1, 2. Okay? Let's do it again. It is a 1, 2. Similarly, it is a 3, 4. Towards the left. So it became 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4 is nothing but the repetition of moving towards the right twice. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Looks good? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Easy, right? Let's do this in count. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And let's do it again in music, but pretty fast. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay, even I mistimed it this time. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. So let's do the step number 9 and 10 together in counts, and then we'll do them together in music. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do this fast. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Let's do this in music now. Okay guys, let's start with the 11th step. At the end of the 10th step, you did this and you were in this position. Now the 11th step is the easiest of all the steps in this track. What you do is, you just take a circle from your right, starting from your right, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So if you have to account for all the 8 beats using this step. So it will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. Use your shoulders. Give it a popping look, a hopping look. Okay. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. Very easy. I know that. Come on. Again. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. Nice. Okay guys, it's time to learn the 12th step. At the end of the 11th step, you were in this position. So now, from here, music again is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Like it was with the 4th step, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay? So you are here and it becomes 1, 2. With your knee, just forward, bend your body backwards. So it becomes like 1, you come back 2. You go 1, you come back 2. Go 1, you come back 2. Now, on the third part, you actually kick and you come back. But your body is bending. So you do a 1, 2, 3, 4. You do a 1, 2, 3, 4. You can remember it like you do a half, you come back. You do a full and you come back. So you half, come back, full, come back. Okay? Easy. Now, the other half of this 12th step. It becomes, you are in this position. Move your hands away from your body like Michael Jackson does. Bend a bit downwards. Use your waist and hips and give a push like 1, 2. Okay? Easy. So you're in this position. Hands away. Bend. You do a 1, 2. So the entire 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay? Easy. Nice. Now let us do the step number 12 in counts with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Easy. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Cool. Awesome. Now let's do the step number 9, 10, 11 and 12 in music together. Okay guys, let's start with the step number 13 and 14. Why I am saying both the steps together is because both the steps are similar, only we switch the sides. So at the end of the 12 step, we did a 1 and a 2. So now you kick, you come straight. You kick, you come straight. Okay? You kick, you come straight. Again, 1, 2. You're here, you do a 1, 2. Easy? Let's do it again. You do a 1, 2. Now, 3, 4 is with your right shoulder, hit towards your right like this. 3 and 4. You take it forward, hit 3, you get it back on 4. Just place it back. you do a 3 and 4. So in all, the step becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy? Again, the step becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Cool. Now the other half, the 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 13th step, you have to cover it with 2 waves. Because your body is in this position, you can take 2 half waves till your waist, like this. 1, 2. Okay? It is very fast. It will be 1, 2. Okay? So the overall step will become 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Use your hand, use your chest, do whatever you want, but you have to take 2 waves. So it becomes like this, 3, 4, or this, 1, 2. Okay? So in all, the 13th step becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay? Now, as I said, 14th step is similar to the 13th step, only the difference is you switch sides. So this time you are in this position, you kick here, you come back. Okay? So you do a 1 to 2. Last time you did a 1, 2 towards the left. This time you do 1, 2. You're right. You do 1, 2. With your left shoulder this time, hit to the left and come back. So this is a 3 and this is a 4. Okay? So it is a 3 and it's a 4. So the overall step becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. And guess what? You wave again. That's it. 13th and 14th steps are exactly similar, replica of each other. Only the fact is you switch sides. So let us do the 13th and 14th step in counts. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Easy? Awesome. Now let us do this again in the music. Okay guys, it's time to learn the step number 15th and 16th. So 15th step is again the same step as the step number 6. You were in this position at the end of the step number 14. You wave twice. Now you go back and side. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same step as 6. So I don't think I have to teach this. It is explained in part 1. So let us do it again. Step number 13, 14 and 15 all together. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy? Awesome. Now, last step of this part and this entire track is nothing, no music. As the step number 8, it is just saying, let's get ridiculous. As the start of this tutorial, I told you this track is really a fun track. You can perform it in front of stage. So when you come forward in front of this audience and you do let's get ridiculous, it looks awesome. So step number 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16th step is nothing but walking forward and saying let's get ridiculous. Okay? Let's do the step number 13, 14, 15 and 16 in count. With me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get ridiculous. Awesome? Cool. Let's do this step number 13, 14, 15 and 16 entirely in the music. Okay guys, let's do the step number 9 to 16 all together in music.